Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll talk about how to make money online from writing articles in a nice way with easy and simple steps. I'd like to divide our today's topic into three parts. The first part, how to write articles. The second part, which is about where we can post your articles. And the third part, which is about how to earn money from your articles. And now let's get started with the first part, how to write your articles. And regarding that, I'd like to choose an amazing website for today, that is AISEO.ai. AISEO.ai. Here in this wonderful website, by artificial intelligence, you can generate an entire article in any topic, in any niche, with a search engine optimization. Yes, you can here generate an entire article from A to Z. And this amazing website has a lot of positive reviews in all trust platforms like G2, Trustpilot, and etc. as you see. And of course, you can use the amazing website for free. And honestly, here you will find a free trial. So now just we can sign up for free and get started for free. So click over this button. Quickly and simply sign in with your email. Sign up. And here we can enter your details like your name, your email, and your password. And now we are on the dashboard of your account here on AISEO. And as you see here, you will find some templates to create your articles in any topic in any niche, as I said before. And here in this template, for example, article generator. So click over that. And here you will find all the steps you will find in all other artificial intelligence tools like Longshot.ai, WriteSonic, Jasper, Textab.ai, and so on. By walk through some steps like come up with ideas to your topic and generate an intro and get an outline or heading and subheadings, and finally you can get an entire article. So we all know these steps to generate your article from scratch: title and intro and outline, and then your article. So the best thing here on AISEO, so we can go back. So let's go together to this amazing template, long form assistant, to create your article with a search engine optimized content. Okay, so click over that, and here you will find two options: blog post workflow and start from scratch. Here in this template, you can generate an amazing title, an attractive title, and you can select your intro or introduction to your article in any topic, in any niche. And here start from scratch, so you can click over that. Just you can insert here your search query, your topic or search term you want to rank for on Google search results. For example, if we want to write an article about pregnancy, so we can type here pregnancy food, for example. Location, just we can select United States, language English, and meta description, a brief description of your topic or your article. So we can type something like a list of pregnancy food you have to know. Okay, for example. And now we create new SEO document simply and quickly. And here you will given your topic, your search query, and an introduction, an intro of your article. And now you'll find here in this right panel a lot of sections and features here on this amazing website, like an overview, which is about title and description, the SEO or the search engine optimization score, your statistics based on words, headers, paragraphs, and your images included in your article. Okay, outline, heading and subheadings, questions, all questions people are asking also in Google. And here you will find this amazing one, SERP or search engine result pages. Okay, here you can find all headings or subheadings in all articles that are ranking for this amazing topic or this search query, pregnancy food, to copy the best of them and paste in your article. Okay, and there you'll find this article, the first ranked on Google regarding this search query, pregnancy food, foods to avoid in pregnancy. As here you will find all heading and subheadings used in this article: what you can eat, what to avoid, what you can eat, smoked fish and listeria, and so on. And here you'll find the second article, and so on and so forth. So all you have to do is just you can pick out some of these beautiful heading and subheadings to make an outline of your article. So you can select like this one, what you can eat. As you see, healthy proteins, foods to eat regularly, and we can select water, foods to avoid, alcohol, okay, and some vitamins, and so on, to create your skeleton and your structure to make your article. Okay, and now we can click over this one, editor, and you see your heading and subheading. So now, to include these paragraphs and this outline on your article, all you have to do, for example, regarding this first paragraph, what you can eat, so you will find here the section, as you see, meats such as chicken, pork and beef, as long as they are well cooked, and so on. So you can just write for me for this topic, okay, or you can paraphrase or rephrase this paragraph to your article. So you can just copy this title or this heading, and now we can paraphrase it. Simply, as you see, with 74% uniqueness. As you see, people must take a few precautions when cooking chicken, pork and beef, and so on. And now we can try another heading or subheading like this one, healthy protein. So we can copy it to your article, and we can look at the section or paragraph, as you see. So we can paraphrase it as we did in the previous one, as you see, with uniqueness, which is about 96%. Okay, and so on and so forth, to create your unique article about your search query. Okay, as you see. And of course, for SERP facts, here you have to feed your article with some fact to make yourself trustworthy and make your article more impressive and evidence-based. So you can click over that, SERP facts. As you see, foods on this list may increase the risk of health complications, and so on. So we can click over this one, okay, copy, and you can copy this fact to your articles, like nuts and seeds, especially Brazil nuts, and so on. Okay, perfect. And the questions here, this section is about questions people also ask for about this search query. And in that way, you have known how to create and generate your article in any niche, in any topic, with a search engine optimization content. And of course, you have to look at this one, SEO score, in order to know whether your article is compatible to search engine requirements or not. Okay, based on words, headers, paragraphs, and images. Okay, you can get your images royalty-free stock photos from this part, free images. So now the first part here, we have known how to generate and write your article. So let's move on to the next part of this video, which is about where we can post your articles. You have to post your articles in some platforms with high authority on Google to make it easy to make your article show up higher on the search results on Google first pages. And in this video, I'd like to show you some amazing platforms you have to post your articles in, like Quora.com. And Quora, by all means, the best question and answer platform. And here on Quora, you'll find an amazing thing, what's so called Quora Space. So we can take Quora Space as a micro plug or mini plug where you can post your articles and your ideas. So how to create your Quora space or your microblog on Quora.com. Just you can go to this one icon, people spaces, and see all the spaces. And here we can create your space or your microblog in any topic, in any niche. Okay, therefore you can post your articles that you have generated on AISEO.ai. Okay, and the second platform where you can post your articles professionally, which is LinkedIn. Yes, LinkedIn. And here on LinkedIn you can post your articles, and it's better for you to write here your articles regarding some topics and some niches like make money online, business, marketing, and so on. So you can write an article from here, okay, and paste your article that you have generated on AISEO.ai. Therefore, these platforms have high authority on Google that make it easy to make your articles show up higher on Google search results. And of course, to make the best of the traffic and the visits to your article, let's move on to the third part of today's video, which is about how to make money from your articles. So you can monetize your articles by promoting some affiliate products. Yes, affiliate products. And of course, I don't tell you that you have to join some affiliate networks that usually need some requirements, like you must have a blog or a channel to promote these products, or you must have a sufficient traffic or something like that. However, I would like to show you two platforms you have to join to promote many products regarding any topic, regarding any category. The first one, which is Yazing.com. Yazing.com. Here you will find many stores, many retailers, many brands in any category, in any niche. As you see, electronics, apparel, health, beauty, gifts, and so on. So here, after creating here a free account on Yazing.com, you have two options. Either you can shop to earn cash back, or you can promote to earn cash back reward or a commission. And of course, I have talked about this amazing website in detail in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. And the next website for today, which is topcashback.com. Topcashback.com is one of the best cashback websites out there. And this official website of Top Cashback, which is topcashback.co.uk. Here you can promote many stores and many brands. For example, if we want to promote Canva.com, so we can search for Canva. As you see, this amazing cashback offers 30% for Canva Pro yearly, or Canva Pro monthly. You can get 120%. An amazing offer or amazing cashback. So here you can promote these stores and these brands and these offers. So if any customer signs up using your affiliate link or your referral link, you will get 30 sterling pounds immediately. Yes, 30 sterling pounds. Okay. And of course, I have talked about how to promote these stores and topcashback.co.uk or topcashback.com in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. And now you have known how to write your articles using AISEO.ai and how to post your articles in some platforms with high authority on Google like LinkedIn and Quora Space, and how to monetize your articles by some affiliate products by using this amazing platforms Yazing.com and Top Cashback. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.